Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you an affiliate marketing program that you can use to earn up to 64 USD per sale you made. As you know, when it comes to affiliate marketing, we always earn money depends on the sales we made by earning a commission. Imagine earning 64 USD per sale you made as a commission. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, we are going to use also my computer as normal, and I'm going to show you this affiliate marketing program. You can also use your phone or tablet. It all depends on the device used to access the internet. What I do, I have to search for Expedia. You can search it on your phone, you can search it elsewhere, there is no problem. After searching Expedia, I have to open this first platform. You can see this Expedia, and also you can be reading more information about the company here. You can see it's an American travel technology company that owns and operates travel fare aggregators and travel meta search engines, including Expedia, Hotels.com, Vrbo, Travelocity, Hotwire.com, eBookers, etc. What I need to do, I have to open this Expedia platform, which is travel, vacation homes, hotels, car rentals, flight, and more. After opening it, you can see that after clicking on it, it's going to be opening, and also it directs me to the platform itself. So now the platform can see that as the platform, you can see there are different services, including the annual vacation sale save they are promoting, which is also 25% off you can be able to get. Now let's see different kind of services you can be able to do here and be able to earn money as affiliate. So you can see now, if I scroll down, there are a lot of services here that you can be able to join and be able to make money. Before we go to other services, you can see there are different membership prices which are available here. You can see, for instance, this one is costing 500 USD 91, and also this can be able to help you make money as affiliate. However, you can be able to purchase these kind of tickets, and also once you purchase this ticket, you can even also be able to join the membership. For instance, if I click on membership, I can be able to open it, the membership which are available. You can see these ones. Also, let's now try to be able to explore another services here available and another tickets you can be able to sell and make money as affiliate. The way you can be able to make money as affiliate here is, let's try to scroll down. You can see now we have other tickets here. For instance, Banana Tree Dubai at Brew Waters, Trademark Suites at Inaki Town, Hotel Britain, Sana Berlin Hotels, etc. You can see Mandarin Oriental, Barcelona. You can see those are all the tickets you can be able to purchase here. Also, if you want to be making money, you need to be referring people to come and purchase these different stays and services or tickets here. Now let's suppose that we gonna be selling this one, which is costing USD 1616, and also you can see the membership is available for this one, but also person who is going to be purchasing this one is going to be, it's Atlantic View luxury villa with pool. You can sit it there, and person can be decide to purchase membership or any other thing. However, if the person is going to be purchasing the ticket as that one, or stay as that one, or is going to be paying this amount of money. So what you have to do now is to be able to translate this one into our affiliate commission. So to be able to hit to this one, let's try to scroll to the bottom of our computer. You cannot be able to either scroll to your laptop or to your mobile phone. It all depends on the device you're using, and also search for this affiliate link which is at the bottom here. And also I have to now open this affiliate marketing at the bottom. I have to click on it. Once I click on it, it's going to be opening the new page where they are going to be providing me different information about the affiliate. you can see now, you can be able to click here and join directly if you want to be joining. However, I have also to make sure that you understand the context and how much money you can be able to earn with this affiliate marketing before we go to that. Now let's see how much money. You can see why join Expedia Group's affiliate program. These are all the information they are explaining here at the bottom. So at the right side, you can be able to read through here. And also the key point here is that, for instance, you can see that 3 M properties you can be able to earn. You can see plus 3 million properties that you can be able to use and earn money. There also plus 200,000 and 20 of unique activities you can be able to use. And also you can see there are a lot of activities you can be able to use. There are a lot of properties you can be able to use and be able to make money as an affiliate. Also, the main point here is that you can be able to earn 4% commission per any sale you make. So as you see, if you go there and search, for instance, let's go back to Expedia, to the platform itself, and calculate for the amount of money you can be able to earn. Expedia, and see, for instance, if we go to the given service and select the one and see how we can be able to earn at least 60 USD per sale as commission we make. So let's try to scroll down and see other services or other activities we have to explore from. For instance, let's take this one we got, which is which is USD 1,616. And also, if we want to be taking the 4% of it, let's try to take 1,616 USD times 4 over 100. We're gonna be earning 64.64 USD. This is a big amount of money you can be able to make as an affiliate marketing, as an affiliate marketer. Also, you can be able to make this per sale. Suppose that someone is gonna be purchasing 2 tickets, or you have 2 people who are purchasing 2 tickets from here or from your referral link. So this is going to be also big amount of money. You can even be exploring a lot from here, and so see how much money you can be able to earn if, for instance, you have referred people to be coming and purchasing these services, purchasing this, paying this one, also paying this one. You can also be able to calculate the 4% and see how much money you can be able to earn as a commission from this. Now let's show you how you can be able to sign up with this affiliate marketing program, and also how you can be able to start making money. You can be able to come and lead here. There are 3 steps now to join. The one is to join the affiliate program, which is where you have to apply for joining and get instant access to the tools, trackable links, widget, and the site banners. After that, you have to share these affiliate URLs, and also after that, you can be starting earning money and get paid through the person who purchased through your link, through your banners you have shared, through other you have also attracted the audience to come to this platform. Now let's see if you want to join. Now click here on join. This is the link. Also, we have to join here. You can either click on this join option here, or you can be clicking on join now. You're gonna be direct to the same page. And also, if I click on join, you can see that I'm gonna be given the page where I can start filling my information. What you need to do, you need to fill your email address, name, first name, and the last name. Now you have to add the password. So select the strong password with also all these key conditions. After that, you have also to acknowledge this one. Of course, you have to read the affiliate terms, affiliate program private policies first of all, and terms and conditions to be able to accept to them. Because if you have not read to them, you can be maybe you can accept them without understanding why you're having jumped some information. I cannot be able to read all these things for you, but you can read it if you are wanting to sign up to be able to make sure that you are familiar with the affiliate marketing program, and to make sure that you don't violate any policies that govern this affiliate. Also, there is partnerized terms and condition. Of course, you have to read it before you accept it. Then once you're done, you have to accept it. And also, once you have filled all this information here, of course, also your email address and other stuff, you can be now able to continue and sign up. So your first name, your last name. Once you filled it, the password should be the same as the one they need, of course. So now you need upper. So now what you do, you can see now we have this option to click on continue. Once you're done, you have to click on this continue option, and once you click on the continue option, you are now done is the application to affiliate marketing program for this platform, and you can now get started sharing the affiliate link, banners, put it to them on your platform on different social media. And also once you get qualified sales from the customer, from your friend, from any other, you can also be able to enjoy the earnings of much money of 4% commission as affiliate partner of this Expedia platform. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember to also like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV.